Hey there. Are you a senior, baby boomer, Gen Xer, who's also a YouTube content creator or wannabe? And you would just like to learn the ropes and be in the middle of a community that could help you and support you with like-minded people? Well, this might be the place for you. I'm Fran Asaro, and I'm the strategist and mentor for senior content creators. And here we learn how to get our channels up and running and keep them current and learn AI, whatever it is that you want to learn, we do it here, right? But we do it at a little slower pace so that you can stay with us. Some people like a little bit different, more relaxed, more fun, more intimate. There's some free learning down below. We put a little library together for you. And we have a community that meets once a week. We have a Facebook group. And if you want to join something here just to be a part of us, subscribe and be a part of some of the things we have here. But I look forward to seeing you and helping you grow your channel, okay? Take care. And remember, you don't have to be a senior to join this group. We don't check ID. We'd love to have you.